Hello everyone, welcome to part 36 of reactjs tutorial with Laravel for beginners. And in this video, we're going to work on the shopping cart API. So we are going to display the products added by the user in shopping cart, and we are going to fetch all the products that are added by the user. Okay, in the shopping cart API. So I'm going to show you like in website. This is the shopping cart, and here in React app as well. Once the user added product in the cart, like we are going to add here one product. Click on checkout. See, product already exists in cart because the product is already exists. I'm going to add some other product now. Okay, I'm going to click on shop once again, and we'll try to add some other product here. Small, proceed, and click on checkout, and here you can see the products successfully added in cart. Now there are two products in cart, and here you can see the user reached after adding the product in cart. User reached the shopping cart page, and in this page we are going to show all the products that the user added to his cart. Here you can see in the cards table we able to add one more product. Earlier we have added one product, now again we have added one more product. Okay, so both the products have come from the app. We have also mentioned it, this one, for the record. And now we are going to show the products. We are going to fetch the products from this cards API. We are going to compare it with the user ID, and the user who logged in, we are going to show the products of that user only who logged in. Okay, so we are going to work on this shopping cart API right now. Okay, in our Laravel structure. Okay, in our Laravel we are using as a backend, and React we are using as a front end for making the app. Okay, web app. So now we are going to add one more API here, and this one is the card API, shopping cart API. Okay, shopping cart API. And here see, here we are going to add the get route. This is the get API, and we are going to make it card, and here the user ID. Okay, because the it will only open if the user will is logged in and add the product in card and can able to see his card. Okay, and also we are going to add the card link here. After login, user can able to check his card as well. Here at the top we are going to add the card link as well, so that the user can able to check his card anytime he wants. Okay, so now we are going to add here API controller at the rate of card, and in API controller we are going to add the card function here. After this one, after add to card, now we are going to add the card function, public function card. Okay, so here we are going to see get the user ID that we have sent from the API. Okay, so here we are going to get all items. Okay, here we will get the from the I'm going to check here the products controller, where we are also getting all the items. We are going to use the same function there. Here you can see the card function, and here get card item is the function that we have used in the card model. So here you can see here we are fetching all the products, okay, in our website. So I'm going to use this query that will work as a charm for us. Okay, so here we are going to copy this one, and here we able to fetch all the product details. Okay, we able to fetch the product details also. And other than this, I'm going to fetch the product price as well. We require the product price as well. Okay, so after getting this, now I'm going to check first of all that the products are coming here. I'm going to check this one, get card items. Here I'm going to see that we able to fetch the products here. Here I'm going to run the card API here. We can run it in Postman. We can run here as well the get API. We can able to run API.card. We can able to run here in browser as well. It is not showing any result. We are going to see API card. Okay, user ID is missing, so user ID is 20, so we need to pass the user ID here as well. We got 20. Okay, so see this card /20. Now it must come show the result. Okay, Okay, we need to add here the auth. It is saying, but no, we will use the user ID here. Instead of this one, we are going to use the user ID here. Okay, so now we can able to see the result. Okay, so here you can see the records are coming here. Okay, complete details. See, both the products are coming here. You can see one product with the one ID, two ID. Okay, with product ID 2 and 3, and you can see one ID, two ID. Okay, and with the product ID 2 as well as the 3. Okay, here you can see the product ID 3 and product ID 2. Okay, so it is showing everything correctly. We can able to see. So now uh, we also require here the full path of the product image, like we have done in the listing API as well. So we can simply copy this loop in the listing API we have used. Okay, this one is the listing API, and here we have used this for each loop. This I'm going to copy this for each loop because we want to convert the image to the complete path. We want to add the complete path to the image, and also we require the final price. We want to display the final price. So I'm going to copy this for each loop, in which we have already have done this thing. We have already added the full path to the image, and also we have fetched the final price. Okay, so just we need to update in some updates we need to do in our code. Okay, so dollar value here. Okay, after the get discount price. Okay, it's fine. So here I'm going to make it uh, get, here it will come get card item, and here I'm going to make it dollar item. Okay, so now this dollar item here I'm going to use in place of category products dollar key. Okay, I'm going to replace it with dollar item. Okay, like this. Okay, dollar item. Now I'm going to check. See, here we are going to use get card item. Sorry, here we are going to use the get card items in place of dollar item. This one here we are going to use in both places. In Sorry, not here. Okay, I'm going to do it like this: get card items, then dollar key, uh, dollar key. Okay, and after that it will come inside final price. We want to add here, we will do it like this. We will add here product like this. Okay, so same we are going to add here as well. In place of dollar item, we are going to add it here, and also we are going to add this one here as well. Okay, product final price and product image. I think now it will work fine. Okay, I'm going to refresh here, and we'll see. Okay, it is showing some issue. It is showing the product price, undefined array key product price here, dollar item product price. We have already added the product price. Let's see what is the issue here. Okay, so it is coming inside the product. Okay, so that's why. Now we are going to check once again. Okay, so this product image also is coming inside the product. Now we are going to check. Now it added the complete path. See, the complete path has been added. I will copy and paste it here. So it is showing the image. Yes, it is showing the image, so it's fine. And also we are getting the final price. Okay, here you can see we are getting both product image as well as the final price. Okay, uh, so it's working fine. And now we able to do this API. We can also check here for check in Thunder client here, because it will show the correct result here. We are going to check here in Thunder client. Click on send, and here see, we are going to check the response. I think the response we need to find, not here. Get API, it's fine, but it is not showing correctly here. Preview, click on preview. Okay, now it is showing. Okay, so we are going to do one thing. See, we will return the response in JSON. Okay, then it will be correct, then it will be shown in a correct way. Okay, so we will simply uh, show the result in JSON, return response, and we will put in one array JSON object. We will put in one object. Okay, JSON products, like this, products, okay, dollar get card items 200, like this. Okay, so now we are going to try. Click on send. Now it is coming fine. Okay, you can see now it is coming fine. You can see the products array is coming. Okay, all the products are coming in this array correctly. So we are going to show this one in the shopping cart on our React app, and here also I'm going to refresh and see this one is coming here in JSON, and but it will come in a correct way if we are going to check in the Thunder client. Otherwise we can check this one in Postman as well, like we have done earlier as well. Okay, so we are going to use this one for displaying the product in our shopping cart. Once the user add the product in shopping cart, we are going to display here in the shopping cart. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video in which we are going to show the user product in the same way like we have added for the website. We are going to show on the React app as well. So stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.